Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show how to use Facebook stories to get more engagement. Firstly, drive feed traffic with content stacking, the curiosity gap. Do not give away all the juicy details in the story preview, and the algorithm hack. Force viewers to click the story to view and comment on the original post. Secondly, empt interactive native elements, polls and quizzes. Use poll or quiz stickers to ask direct questions. Second, emoji sliders and question boxes. Invite direct feedback. Next, public comments and replies. Viewers can now leave public comments directly on stories. Thirdly, master the story's first creative design. Hook the first frame. Start with a bold visual and intriguing questions or a striking statement. Next, mobile first realness, silent optimizing. Fourthly, structure with the 70-20-10 content rule. 70% value and relatability. Share quick, actionable tips, mini hot toast, or personal storytelling that your audience can implement immediately. 20% engagement booster. Use peer phone, memes, or interactive surveys specially designed to get people tapping and voting. 10% direct calls to actions. Use Facebook free built-in CTA buttons such as Shop Now, Learn More, or Contact Us. Fifth, cross-promote and track analytics by Instagram's cross-posting. Audit your drop-offs regularly. Open your Facebook Insights. Look at your tapbacks. If you still have any questions, comment down below.